Hello everyone and welcome to Chainstack. Today I will show you how to use the zkSync testnet faucet. For those of you that don't know, the Chainstack faucet gives you up to 0.05 testnet ether every 24 hours. In order to use the faucet, you will need to register your own free Chainstack account. Now, if you already have a Chainstack account, all you have to do is log into the Chainstack console, then you go to Settings, API Keys, you're going to click the Add API Key button, then you click on Next, and you can get your API key from here. Now we go back to the faucet, put your key into the first field, and then you take your wallet address, and you can claim your tokens. Once the transaction goes through, you should see your testnet tokens right here in your wallet.